x1, y1, x2, y2. And to find our slope, we say the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or negative 6 over negative 12, which is just 1/2. Okay, so I'm going to use this second point this time just to prove that there's no preferred thing, preferred point of the two. So we say y minus, what's the y coordinate? 1 equals 1/2 x minus the x coordinate of negative 6 minus a negative 6 is just plus 6. And you can see then that the x coordinate appears as its opposite in there, and the y coordinate appears as its opposite. Okay, so we're already done with one form, point slope form. Now I'm going to distribute through and say y minus 1 equals 1/2 x plus 3. So to think about it for a second. And if I add 1 to both sides, we get y equals 1/2 x plus 4. This is slope-intercept form. Okay, and I need to multiply both sides by 2. Now I'm going to go to put it in standard form. 2 parentheses, what's there? Y equals 2 parentheses, what's there? 1/2 x plus 4. So we get 2y equals x plus 8. Yep. And if we subtract x from both sides, we get negative x plus 2y equals 8. And of course, I wanted to switch, running out of space, but I want to switch the sign of everything so that the leading coefficient is positive. So I say x minus 2y equals negative 8. And that is standard form. Done.